Guys, continue tayo sa walking exercise natin guys. So may bagong apartment dito guys. So hindi pa siya tapos guys. So ito yung background natin. Dito naman sa harap, pareho pa rin guys yung dinaanan namin kung walking kami ng anak ko. Dito guys is around ano na siya guys, anong oras na ba? It's 7:13 in the evening. So paano na kasi kami guys, pa summer na, so kahit 7 plus ano pa, hindi pa siya madilim. Pero kung winter, sus grabe nakadilim yung alas 7 guys. May bahay dito. Yan yung daan kung saan ako nanggaling, dyan yung main road, tapos dito maganda kasi dito mag walking day guys, kasi nga tahimik, walang masyadong bahay, so walking tayo. Tingnan mo yung sikat ng araw, nandyan pa ang yellow, diba ang tahimik guys. Tingnan mo mga damuhan. Mga ibon, tahimik talaga dito guys. Ito banda mga malaking bahay. So yan guys ha. Ang tahimik dito. Tahol ng aso ang maririnig mo. Yung bahay. Hindi masikip. Yung mga bahay dito may talaga, may pagitan. Tapos dito mga orange farm. Wala nang bungang orange guys kasi nga na-harvest na. Walking. Tingnan mo guys, bakanting lote. May bahay dito. Tapos dito naman mga farm. Namulaklak na yung mga pomegranate. May natira pang orange guys. Pero yung hindi na marami. Kasi nga yung ibang natira hindi pa yan ready. Yung kinuha yung ready na. Tingnan mo guys, kabunbunan. Tingnan mo guys, walang katao-tao. Puro damo. Dito naman So yan lang guys. Doon sa unahan guys, may mga farm doon na sheep farm at saka cow farm, goat farm. Pero hindi na ako pupunta doon kasi medyo malayo na. Manarinig ako mga ingay ng baka. So, yan lang guys, ang tahimik. Ang tahimik ng paligid. Mga huni ng ibon. For a few minutes na walking exercise lang guys, saglit lang. Kasi may gagawin pa tayo sa bahay. Saglit na walking lang. Kasi ang dami na naman natin nakain ngayon. Nagluluto ako ng tinulong isda. Nagluto ako ng sutlage or rice pudding. Nagluto ako ng mac and cheese. So, patantan muna tayo sa busog. Kaya mag-walking in a few minutes. So, ito lang guys. Ang makikita ninyo. Yung anak ko guys. Natawa ko kasi sabi niya, ayaw niya mag-video. Hindi siya sasama sa akin mag-walking kung mag-video. Tayo ngayon nasa likod. Ay nako guys, matawa ako. Tingnan mo yung araw guys, na merong araw pa guys ha. Tingnan mo. Yung anak ko nasa likod guys. Iba, matawa ako sa anak ko guys. So hanggang dyan lang ako sa may guys. So, yan yung may makikita kayo dyan parang kubo. Yan ang may cow farm dyan. So hanggang dito lang ako guys kasi nga may aso doon guys na malalaki. Tingnan mo mga orange guys oh. Wala lang dahon be. Nang lagas na yung dahon. Yung anak ko guys. Tingnan niyo makatiis guys. Sabi niya nagagalit sa akin dahil daw, bakit daw ako nagbibideo? Wala sa mood ngayon guys. May rigla ata kasi wala sa mood. Diba sa atin guys? Kapag wala sa mood, sabihin na may rigla. So, yan guys. Oh. So, hanggang dito lang tayo guys ha. Balik na naman ako guys ha. Kasi pakita ko nyo sa inyong background guys. So, tingnan mo yung anak ko guys. Tingnan mo. See, you just come to me. Tingnan mo guys. Don't bend your body, Aliyah. Please. It's okay. Say hi.
Who did you think it was at first?
Of course, I know you will come.
Who said?
Oh, there's a car, Aliyah.
Wait, no, at first, like, at far, who do you think it was?
Of course, and you. I know you're a kwanbe. I know what you are wearing.
Oh. What would happen if I wore something different?
Hey, I know it's you.
You can. I thought I wouldn't make it obvious. I was like this.
Why you running? You running? I told you walk nicely, be. Don't run.
I didn't. I was walking. So I'm gonna take a picture.
See, the view is nice. I told you. What Baba said when you didn't come with me. Balik na naman tayo pagkatapos doon.
You're just showing me, by the way.
I show you already, but not now.
Okay.
But if you will, now, you see in the camera, look. You are in the front.
uh,
Hmm.
Must have been the wind.
What?
What's that taking me a video?
Hmm. Hmm. Saglit lang guys,
I
no?
was gonna
Kahit,
prank you, but I didn't knew you would actually turn your back.
of course, I keep on turning my back because I know you will come. You know, mother instinct, you know.
So you had that one instinct to know that I
Of
was
course, mother knows best.
there. I saw you being far. I thought you wouldn't notice me, but you actually did.
Of course, Aliyah.
I was gonna prank you.
Aliyah, you're not a good pranker. Because I caught you in the act.
Real.
Guys, mag-English lang tayo nito guys. Itong anak natin guys, hindi marunong magbisaya.
Nanay.
Inday, anak. What's wrong, anak? Parang probinsya lang talaga guys dito guys sa Cyprus. Kaya nga hindi mo ano din ba na tulad na ka ng yung parang mamimiss mo talaga yung Pinas kasi nga dito parang Pinas lang din, parang nasa probinsya.
How?
Oh, look at the view, the surrounding.
It looks like Philippines, yes.
Yes, of course. Because Cyprus also is all greenery.
There's a car. I can hear it. I can sense it.
It's okay.
Wait, the car stopped. Oh no, it's coming. Yeah, it's coming.
It's okay.
I got hiccups.
The car is free to
I got hiccups.
pass here.
I got hiccups. I wonder if the oranges.
No, this oranges is not ready yet. That is why they don't pick it up.
My car seems oddly familiar.
Familiar?
It looks like my teacher's car.
Really?
They almost got the same brand of car.
So many people now using that kind of car, you know, and the brand, and the style.
BMW is the best.
Not only there are so many cars that were more expensive than BMW.
I know.
I think the south side is raining too much. Look, the skies in that part is very dark and black.
I think it's gonna rain here next.
Maybe tonight.
Maybe. Who knows?
There's another car.
Yep.
I hear
I
also.
sense it. My instinct of danger. Sensed it. I always get that random instinct where something's not right.
Of course, Aliyah. Once you know that you feel like and your instinct tells you that it's not right, so you should be careful and you should never do that
Wait.
if whatever it is.
I hear a fox's voice.
It's not fox, it's a bird bay.
No, not the bird noise. I can hear it almost midnight. The fox's voice. It always makes a noise. I can tell. Okay, so you know what happened? I think it was yesterday, Wednesday, or maybe Tuesday. The teacher, like the stagiaire of, the English teacher, wanted me to read the book, and I was like,
English book.
Yeah.
And then, what happened?
I read it, and then my
What the
friend
teacher
Zainab
said?
was like, "Mashallah,
And what your teacher said?
very good. Nothing else." She knows
How
only
many
what,
pages you read?
only one.
Only one. I thought a lot of pages.
Well, we were in an exercise book.
Ah,
Yeah.
I think Lakeside or Lefkusha. Look, oh, how black it is there, that side, oh.
Why are you holding your phone backwards?
No, it's okay to see the view.
Yeah, the view seems pretty dark.
Yeah, this side.
Yeah.
I think Lefkusha or Greek side. South side.
Isn't Lefkoshan? Oh no, it isn't. Sorry. Oh no, wait. It is the same. Just
Itong bagong apartment kay magkano na naman kang upa niyan, guys, kasi nga bago, baka mahal. Mahal na talaga ngayon, guys. Oy, buong mundo, guys. Nagano
how
na
do they
talaga
finish
nilang
this
mahal.
but not this?
Ha?
How do they finish this but not this? The small house.
Where's the small house?
This one.
No, it's finished. The small house, but only one lacking is one. What do you call this? Maybe they will buy some appliances. Yes. So ito yung main road, guys. Diyan ako galing.
Look left and right.
Of course, I will. Tingnan mo, guys, oh. Hindi pa tapos yung pathway. Papasok sa apartment. Bago siya.
Anyways.
Look, when you walk, it makes your muscles and legs become firm. Not soft.
I kind of feel
Not
a little
totally
bit
soft.
muffled. Don't cross, there's a car.
Of course, why I'll cross is a car, be aman, be. So yan, guys, papuntang Guzeliot, guys.
cross.
No. Andito naman, guys, papuntang Kirinia. Yung way na yan. So dito kami, guys. Diyan ako dumaan kanina. Ito naman, daming sasakyan, guys.
So when can we cross?
Huh? Yeah, what is this question? When can we cross? We will cross when there is no car passing.
We're passing a few minutes.
It's okay, be. Oh, the cars is very fast. Allah. Allah, car is in there.
Awkward.
So yung tinitirahan naming bahay, guys, yung may-ari din dito sa may apartment, guys. Tingnan mo, nagsidatingan na yung mga tao na nakatira dito. It's okay, be, no problem, be.
Yeah, but that's a sign of, disrespect. Sort of. Audio. I didn't know audio was here. Audio, yeah?
Papasok na tayo na naman, guys, ha. Parang hard din, guys, kung dumanami na yung mga dahon sa grapes, guys. Para siyang garden tingnan. O, tingnan mo. Kasi nga, mangumbitay. Maghang yung mga dahon ng grapes kapag tumubo na siya marami, guys. Kasi yung grapes, pa-season dito, November.
I almost fell.
Kumukuha na ako ng kanina ng dahon ng grapes, guys, para gawing dulma. O, tingnan mo, guys, ha. So, pasok na tayo dito, guys. So, ito yung tinitirahan namin. Maliit lang yung tinitirahan namin, guys. Kasya lang sa aming tatlo. Namulaklak na yung mga orange na naman. Mamunga na naman yan. By December, January. Yung kaso namin. So yan guys, makikita ni dyan yung tinitirahan namin. So yan guys. So, salamat sa pagpanood guys. Bye!